Tuesday, here we are, right? So good morning, new day. Yesterday was 38 pips loss, negative, right? So which was okay. I know exactly how people are feeling. So even the group was very quiet. So every single time we make a loss, the group is normally quiet, and basically we are losing like 20 pips. And when we get into profits, we're getting into 100 plus. So if you lose 20 and get 100, that's 1:5. So you can lose even maybe 5 times and still break even. You still maybe be profitable, right? So our risk to reward is very, very high. So in the morning, I called on this trade, a buy trade right there. Okay, the stop loss was like 13 pips. Okay, 13 pips, and currently we are already like in 115 pips, I think. So that's like 1:, almost 10 or something. That's like 1:8 or 9. All right. So we are risking only 13 pips to get 100 plus. Okay, this is the best strategy you can ever learn. All right, so this is the best strategy. If maybe you are delaying to invest in your own learning, I'm giving all my trades for free. This will help you if you don't have money. This will help you compound your own money, so until you get enough money to maybe invest in your learning. All right, so I'm like sort of teaching you for free, so you are earning as you learn. So on the group, I'm still giving you knowledge, I'm still giving you trades, so you are earning as you learn. All right, so if you don't have money to invest right hand, so you just give yourself some time. So if you have the cash to invest upfront before you even continue to learn, if you want to learn fast, all right, before maybe I'm fully occupied such that I cannot even get enough time to teach people anymore, right? Because I can only handle a few people per day, right? So maybe you can do that, invest in your own learning. So that was around 13 pips right there, all right? And then we lost on the 13 pips. Okay, so this was the first trade in the morning. Okay, so I then had my second trade right here, the buy limit. All right, this was 14 pips. So you can see that this was 13 pips, all right, and this was 14 pips. All right, so my range is normal between 10 and 20, around there, but most of the time 15 pips around there. All right, so the trade was really struggling to take off, but I knew, I was confident about this trade because we had met already like maybe five out of 6, okay, criteria, my entry techniques. I have like 6 entry techniques, one to catch an extra one to catch the reversals, and also we have like 4 to exit at a profit, and also like 2 to manage the risk. Okay, so then after that, the market came all the way, took our buy limit right there. You can see right here, boom, this was a sniper entry. The market did not even drop further. It was just like a move, boom, and then bish, we headed higher. All right, this is what you need to be learning. All right, so we are already at 40 pips profit. We secured some profit, half the trade. I closed half the trade in the morning at 40 pips, and then not even in the morning, this was like at 2 p.m, so in the afternoon. All right, and the market was still hitting the road, and we also secured some more profits right there. We secured using a stop loss. Okay, you can see how the market moved. This was a sniper entry. Okay, and I had already told people that today will be a blast on the group. Okay, so if this will be every single time I suspect the market will move, I know exactly that. So we have had like 3 consolidation days, like on Thursday, Friday, and Monday. So I knew that today would be a great day, right? So my final trade on this trade, it's around 1.2980. Okay, so with this trade, even after I closed half the position that was to secure for the day, I'm still holding the rest of the position all the way until we get to 1.2980. okay, so unless we get a reversal signal, I normally have the technique for entering a reversal trend. Okay, I'm still holding this trade. So tomorrow we hop onto a new trade. Okay, then we close half the position at the exit point, then we leave the rest to flow for the next few days. Okay, until we get probably to this zone. So the market is still hitting the road right here. You can see, boom, moving every single day. Yes, some days the market is normally slow. That's what I keep on updating the group. Some days are slow. That's normal on every single pair, on every single, even in the normal business. There are some days that you have very good days, you're selling a lot. There are some days that you don't sell anything. Okay, so it's quite normal in the business world. So trading is a business, right? So that's exactly it. So now we are hitting back on the road where we'll be hitting consistently for the next couple of days. Okay, so if you missed the other trade on GBPUSD, we are currently, let's see where we are at. We are currently at around, so we entered at 24770, or it was 69. All right, so that's like 70. That is around 110 pips for today. So we've already closed half the position. So that's around 110 pips for today. 110. All right, so if you had like 100 and used like a 0.02, you've already made maybe $20. If you had like a $500 and you are using like a 0.1 or something, you've already made like $100. All right, so it's with a very low risk. Okay, with 500 you're only risking like 14 pips, which is only like, we're using a 0.1, that's around $14, which is very small. Okay, so that's how I trade. Okay, so if you're willing to invest, so this is the trade I've given on Euro USD right here, right now at 6 p.m. right, and then right now it's hitting the road. This was like 8 pips or something, like 8 pips. It's right here, you can see 1.12698 pips. Okay, so if you had like a $500 account, you are using like 0.1 or something, but I used less because it's in the evening, so I don't have to risk more right now. Okay, so it's not like it's a grade 1 trade, since it had only met like 3 of my criteria, my entry criteria. Okay, so I know exactly if the market meets 5, like on GBPUSD in the morning, it had like 5 out of 6. That was a blast. It was a blasting day. Okay, and this normally I get 3 to 4, but if I get like 5, that's a blast for the day. I know that for sure. Okay, so you need to invest in yourself. It's very, very important. I failed for like 2 years, failing over and over again. I never quit, and I gathered all this information all through. Okay, so I've given you, I'm trying to shorten your learning curve. I'm trying to cut short 2 years of failure, giving you all these things in like 3 weeks. You are good. Okay, after that you just be left dealing with your own emotions, in which I'll be helping you to deal with that as well. Okay, so I'm cutting short your learning experience. Okay, so that's today. Boom, that's the move. Okay, we've already secured some, and maybe tomorrow, right now I'm not focusing on anything else, so maybe tomorrow after the pullback, we are looking to just get in some more trades using all my entry techniques. Okay, which most of the time never fail. 80 to 90% of the time they never fail. Okay, yeah, so they tell me when to enter, when not to trade, and if I'm indisciplined, I continue trading even when I'm not supposed to trade. I lose money. That's normal. I know that for sure. I know that. Okay, you can see the Euro USD trade that I gave, it's hitting the road really hard, right? Using a sniper entry right here. Okay, we entered right here, and the stop loss was right there. 8 pips only. Okay, so see you soon on tomorrow's recap. See you. Bye bye. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Okay, if you like me, make sure you like this video. Okay, continue to support my work as well, because I'm trying to help you as well. Okay, so make sure you share this video, share the channel, share anything to everyone who is willing to learn and wants to be committed on this game. It's not an easy journey, so make sure you buckle up and wait for the tough experience. Okay, but you can of course shorten your learning curve. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.